The next question is from straight lines, question number 3. So let us get back to the question. So a line in such that its segment between the lines 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0 is bisected at the point 1, 5. Okay, you need to find such line segment. Okay, you need to find a line equation. So that line equation is a segment which is located in between these two lines. What are the two lines? 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 and the other line is 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. First we will construct these both lines, 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, graphically 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Let us plot this line equation graphically. Put x equal to 0. What we will get? 5. This becomes 0. So we'll have y equal to 4. So this becomes 0, 4. Correct? What happens if y equal to 0? Y equal to 0 will get, this becomes 0. We'll left over with 5x is equal to minus 4. So this becomes x equal to minus 4 upon 5. So the point is like minus 4 upon 5, 0. If I want to plot a graph, minus 4 by 5, 0 lies in between approx here. Minus 4 by 5, 0. Next point is 0, 4. It locates on y-axis, which is 0, 4. So if I just want to plot these both, the line equation passes like this, right? So this line equation name is 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is our first line. Okay, so what is our second line? Given second line equation is 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. If x equal to 0, what we are going to get? 4y is equal to 4, y is equals to 1. So we have like 0, 1. Correct? We have like 0, 1. And the next, if put y is equal to 0, if we are substituting y equal to 0, we have like 3x is equals to 4. So x value becomes 4 upon 3. And the coordinates are like 4 by 3, 0. So just we'll plot the line. Okay. First point is 0, 1. Somewhere here you'll get 0, 1. And the second point is 4 by 3, 0. Somewhere you'll get like 4 by 3, 0. Okay. So if I am plotting a line segment, we'll get like this. This is the second line segment. Correct? This is the second line segment. So now what we are doing is we need to find such line equation that is intercepted between these two lines. So how the line can be drawn? Just a minute. If I want to draw a line, this should be the line, right? This should be the line. My particular line I need to find. This should be the line equation I have to find out. Correct. So this 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 intersects my particular line segment, imagining this is alpha 2, beta 2. And this line segment intersects at, let us take a point, alpha 1, beta 1. So this line segment is bisected at the point is, the point which is getting bisected is, which is 1, 5. 1, 5, right? Again, the construction is very important concept. Understanding of question is very important what they were asking us. So, first, name cheskunnanamma 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 line graph draw cheskunnanu. Similar ga 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0 line graph kuda draw cheskunnanu. Let us name this. So, what is this? 3x minus plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. ఇలా రెండు లైన్స్ డ్రా చేసిన తర్వాత ఈ రెండిటిని జాయిన్ చేస్తూ వచ్చేది ఒక లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్. సో 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసే లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆల్ఫా 2, బీటా 2 అన్న పాయింట్ దగ్గర లెట్ us ఇమాజిన్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతోంది అనుకుందాం. సిమిలర్గా ఆల్ఫా 1, బీటా 1 సెకండ్ లైన్తో ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతోంది. ఈ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? ఈజ్ బైసెక్టెడ్ అట్ ద పాయింట్ అట్ 1, 5. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ బైసెక్టెడ్? బైసెక్టెడ్ అంటే ఏంటి అంటే, ఇప్పుడు ఇది మొత్తం ఇండివిజువల్గా డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను చూడండి మా. సో ఇలా వచ్చింది మనకి లైన్. బైసెక్టెడ్ అంటే ఇది ఆల్ఫా 2, బీటా 2 పాయింట్. ఈ పాయింట్ ఏమనుకున్నాం మనం? ఆల్ఫా 1, బీటా 1. సో మిడిల్ పాయింట్ 1, 5. బైసెక్టెడ్ మీనింగ్ ఏంటి అంటే, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ అయితే ఉంటుందో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి అంతే డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. దాట్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ బైసెక్టెడ్, మేకింగ్ 2 equal halves. Okay, and this line is 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0, and this line is 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. This is a construction part. So ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏమి ఇచ్చాడో రాసుకున్నాం కదా. So let us try to solve the problem. Okay, so what is the given problem here? Please observe. Yeah, so if alpha 1, let us start the problem. First point, if alpha 1, beta 1 lies on the line, which line? 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. That means this alpha 1, beta 1 is a solution of this line. Correct? Let us substitute. 3 alpha 1 plus 4 beta 1 minus 4 equal to 0. First, suppose I want to find out the value of beta 1 from this. So what I'll get? 4 minus 3 alpha 1 and beta 1 is equal to 4 minus 3 alpha 1 divided by 4. Divided by 4, correct, because if you are transforming 4 it becomes division, right? Similarly, if alpha 2, beta 2 lies on which line? 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0, correct? So lies on which line? 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. That means this becomes solution. Let us substitute 5 alpha 2 minus beta 2 plus 4 equal to 0. So 5 alpha 2, if I want to find beta 2 from this, 5 alpha 2 plus 4 is equal to beta 2. Let us imagining this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Whenever we require, we'll apply it. Okay. So this is all the given question part I have applied. Okay. So again, given one more hint is my particular line segment which is getting bisected at 1, 5. That means by using a midpoint formula, this is actually located at midpoint of this line, correct? So what I can write is alpha 1 plus alpha 2, midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to x coordinate is 1. Similarly, we also have equating the y coordinates, beta 1 plus beta 2 is equals to 5. That is what we are writing here, given 1, 5, right? Alpha 1 plus alpha 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Beta 1 plus beta 2 by 2 is equal to 5 by using a midpoint formula, right? Mention in the bracket midpoint formula. Correct. So now we'll just equate the values. Alpha 1 plus alpha 2 is equal to 2. This is what we got the first equation. Now what is the value of beta 1 from here? 4 minus 3 alpha 1 by 4. Let us substitute here. The value of beta 1 is 4 minus 3 alpha 1 by 4 plus, and value of beta 2 is what? Value of beta 2 is 5 alpha 2 plus 4, right? Value of beta 2 is 5 alpha 2 plus 4, right? This is 2, beta 2 whole divided by 2 is equals to 5. correct? So I have simplified this. I have simplified the values of beta 1 and beta 2 and put it in the given above equation. Let us take LCM. The LCM is 4. 4 minus 3 alpha 1, which becomes 20 alpha 2 plus 16 whole divided by, actually this should be like 2 by 1, which becomes 1 by 2. Okay, we'll write in the next step. That's not a problem. Okay. So from this, what we are going to get? 4 minus 3 alpha 1 plus 20 alpha 2 plus 16 divided by 8 is equals to 5. So what we are going to get from here? 20 alpha 2 minus 3 alpha 1, 4 plus 16 is 20. 5 times of 8 is 40. Correct. So 20 alpha 2 minus 3 alpha 1, transforming this 20 to that side, this will become plus 20. 40 minus 20 is plus 20. Please have a glance. Let this be equation number 3 and let this be equation number 4. Please observe up to this. If you have any doubts, please ask me for a moment. Am I clear? So let us solve the values of alpha 1 and alpha 2. Okay. So solve 3 and 4 equations. Okay. So multiplying the first equation with 3. Okay. So what we'll have? Multiplying the equation 3 into 3. What we are going to get? 3 alpha 1 plus 3 alpha 2 is equals to 6. And the fourth equation is 4 with 1. You'll get the same thing, right? So minus 3 alpha 1 plus 20 alpha 2 is equals to 20. So same variables will get cancelled, right? So this becomes cancelled. Plus 3 alpha 1 minus 3 alpha 1 becomes cancelled. 3 alpha 2 plus 20 alpha 2, which becomes 23 alpha 2 is equal to 26. So alpha 2 value becomes 26 by 23. 26 by 23. Now we need to find out the value of beta 2. Okay. So what is the value of beta 2 from here? So let us substitute that. First of all, in order to find the value of beta 2, we have the equation 5 alpha 2 plus 4, which is beta 2. Correct? So let us write down it. We have, what is the value of beta 2? 5 alpha 2 plus 4, which gives beta 2. 5 times of 26 upon 23 plus 4 is equals to beta 2. Correct? So 26 times of 5, 6 5 is 30, 6 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 130. 130 plus 4 is equals to beta 2. So take out LCM. 4 times of 23, 23 times of 4, 3 4s are 12, 4 2s 8 plus 1, 92, right? 130 plus 92, which is equals to beta 2. What is 130 plus 92? 3 plus 9 is 12, which is 222. So 222 upon 23 is equals to beta 2. So what are the coordinates of alpha 2 comma beta 2 here? First, alpha 2 value is 26 upon 23 and beta 2 is 222 upon 23. Observe up to this. This is a quite lengthy problem, but a normal simplification problem. Please observe up to this. I have done nothing. This is a quite elimination method. If you are done with it, so that we'll be moving to the next part of the question, please have a stare at the board for a moment. Completed. So, but as per the question, we need to find the equation of line segment which is, this is a line segment. I can say from here to here, this is my particular line segment, which is having 2 points 1, 5 and alpha 2, beta 2. So let us try to find out an equation of line. Next part of the question is final part, equation of line passing through 1, 5 and alpha 2, beta 2 is, if you have 2 points, the equation of line is of the form y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus x1. But how to find m value here? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the value of m. Right? Whenever you have 2 points, how to calculate the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So, let us put on here y minus y1 value is 5. M is nothing but y2 is beta 2 minus 5 by alpha 2 minus 1 into x minus x1 is 1. Okay. So we have alpha 2 beta 2 is nothing but, so what are the coordinates we have here? Just now I have find out alpha 2 and beta 2. 26 by 23 upon 222 upon 23. Correct. Let us substitute both values here. So what we'll have? Y minus 5, beta 2 is nothing but 222 by 23 minus 5 divided by alpha 2 value is 26 upon 23 minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Simplify this. Y minus 5, 222, 23 times of 5. So let us keep this for rough space. 23, take out LCM. 5 times of 3 is 15 and this is 115, right? So, 222 minus 115 upon 23 whole divided by 26 minus 23 upon 23 into x minus 1. Cancelling this 23 on numerator and denominator. So, what is the leftover part now? Please see here. We have y minus 5, 222 minus 115. So, what is the answer? Which is 12 minus 5 is 7, which is 107. Correct? Yes or no? Am I clear? So, 222 minus 115, which is nothing but 107. So, what is getting us here? 107 divided by 26 minus 23 is 3 into x minus 1. Correct? So, transform this 3 to that side. 3y minus 3 into 5 is 15. 107x minus 107. So, what you are going to get? Transform these both values to this side. 107x minus 3y minus 107 plus 15 equal to 0. 107x minus 3y, 107 minus 15 is minus 92 equal to 0. This is my required equation of line. Right? This is my required equation of line. Am I clear? So let us, this is a quite lengthy problem. Let us recall this problem once again. Okay. So what is the first part of the question we have done? So I need to find out a line segment. Manamaite line segment find out cheyali. Ye line segment find out cheyali. 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. Ee lopala unde intercepted part. This is our intercepted part, which is getting bisected at 1, 5. ఈ line which is making a two equal halves at 1, 5. In that case, I need to find out either this line segment or this line segment. Anything is fine. So first graph plot చేసుకున్నాం two lines కి. So that let us imagining ఈ line మనం find out చేసే line segment 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 alpha 2, beta 2 అన్న పార్ట్ దగ్గర ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతోంది అనుకుందాం. సిమిలర్లీ ఆల్ఫా 1, బీటా 1 దగ్గర ఈ లైన్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతోంది అనుకుందాం. ఆ రెండు ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే విల్ గెట్ టూ డిఫరెంట్ వాల్యూస్. I got two different values and which is of the form of beta 1, beta 2. Two values వచ్చాయి. దీని తర్వాత మనం ఏం చేసాము అంటే ఫస్ట్ we have alpha 1 plus alpha 2 by 2 and by using a midpoint formula. Why? Because 1, 5 is exactly bisecting at my particular point line segment alpha 1, alpha 2 and beta 1, beta 2. Midpoint formula use చేసుకొని నేను రెండు వాల్యూస్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకున్నాను. సో we have x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is our third equation and beta 1, beta 2 already find out చేసింది ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేశాను. So that after simplifying it I got this value. So I just find out alpha 2 and beta 2 coordinates by using elimination method. After finding alpha 2 and beta 2, I need to find out a line segment which is passing through 1, 5 and alpha 2, beta 2. Some people can do like they will find out a line segment passing through 1, 5 and alpha 1, beta 1. In both cases, you have to get the same line segment equation. Okay. So we have a formula y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus x1. But when it is a case of 2 points, if you have how to find out a slope is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is how we will find out a slope. So after this, I'll substitute the values and simply it's a simplification part. You'll understand. And I have converted a general equation of line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So that we'll be moving to the next part of the question.